with another firework. I think this is Taco Tuesday, bro. This will look super sick. Yo, guys, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's red, green, orange, purple, pink.
Well,
I think it all looks orange on my screen.
Not over yet.
But the first one over here to the left is red. The top one of that is green, then orange, then purple, and pink.
Does it?
I'm sure about
Oh
that.
my gosh, I was like, I don't remember that at all. That would be great.
probably last
Yeah, like
a long time.
where the other ones on the side go.
Yep.
See you guys.